My dear child, I greet you with my deepest love and blessings. I have seen the weight you carry in your heart. I have watched you walk through storms, stay strong in silence, and still hope for a better day. This message that has come to you today is not by chance. It is a divine plan. I have brought this message to you to remind you that you are not alone. I am with you, and I will always be with you. Today I have come to tell you that your problems, no matter how big or small, can be solved. This message is not just a message, it is a light for your darkness. It is the answer you have been waiting for. My child, the moment you listen to my words with trust in your heart, you will start seeing a change in your life. Peace will enter where there was pain. Calm will replace the chaos and strength will rise in you once again. I know how hard life can be. Sometimes you feel like giving up, like no one understands what you are going through. But I do. I know every tear you have shed. I know every fear you have felt. And I have come today to tell you that you don't need to carry these burdens anymore. Let me take care of them. Let me show you the way out. Let me be your guide through every problem, every confusion, every test. From today, you have to remember just one thing. Listen to my words and make them part of your daily life. These are not just instructions. These are doors to your freedom. These are the keys that will unlock the happiness, peace, and love you've been searching for. Start your day with silence. Before you speak to the world, speak to me. Close your eyes for a few moments. Take a deep breath and remember me with love. You don't need big words or long prayers. Just speak from your heart. Tell me what's troubling you. Ask for guidance. I am always listening. You don't need to shout to reach me. A whisper from your soul is enough. Keep your heart clean. Stay away from lies, greed, jealousy, and anger. These things pull your soul down and close the doors of blessings. I am not asking you to be perfect. I am asking you to try. Every small effort to stay honest, kind, and pure opens new ways for blessings to enter your life. You will see how your energy becomes lighter, your mood becomes better, and your mind becomes more peaceful. Respect your parents, your elders, and the people who support you. Even if the world forgets you, these people keep praying for you. Their love is powerful. When you honor them, you honor me. When you serve them, you serve me. I live in the heart of every person who loves you honestly. Never be afraid to do the right thing even when it's hard. Truth may walk slowly, but it always reaches the destination. Lies may run fast, but they fall quickly. Stand by the truth and I will stand by you. Even if the whole world is against you, if you are right, I will protect you. I will not let you fall. Forgive those who hurt you. Let go of the pain that others have caused. When you hold on to anger, you hold on to poison. Set yourself free, my child. Your peace is more important than revenge. Let me take care of justice. The one who has hurt you will face their actions in time, but you walk in peace. Move forward. Don't carry the past on your shoulders. Work hard. Do your duties with a clean heart. No work is small in my eyes. Whether you sweep a floor or lead a company, if you do it with honesty and dedication, I will bless you. I never ignore effort. I never ignore a soul who works with love and truth. Keep doing your work. Your time is coming. Stop doubting your worth. You are not weak. You are not unlucky. You are my child. My blood runs through your soul. Stand up and walk forward. Do not let failures break you. Every fall is a lesson. Every failure is a step closer to success. Do not give up. I have planned something great for you. But you must keep moving. You must keep believing.
From today, promise me that you will walk on the path of good. Promise me that you will not give up hope. Promise me that you will protect your peace, your faith, and your inner light.
And I promise you, I will bless you in ways you never imagined. I will remove every block from your path. I will heal every pain in your heart. I will bring success in your work, love in your home, and joy in your soul. Miracles are waiting for you. They are already on their way. but they will only come to you when your heart is open to receive them. Let go of fear, let go of doubt. Just walk with faith, and you will see how your life becomes full of light. If you're worried about your family, your health, your money, or your future, give those worries to me. I will handle them. Just do your part with love, and I will do the rest. I do not delay blessings without reason. When the right time comes, I give more than you asked for, and that time is coming very soon for you. Today, I also want you to help someone. Even a small act of kindness will open the doors of joy in your life. Share food with someone hungry. Kindly to someone in pain. Help without expecting anything back. These are the things that bring you closer to me. These are the actions that invite miracles into your life. Every night before you sleep, say thank you for the day. No matter how hard or easy it was, find one thing to be thankful for. Gratitude brings peace. It brings healing. It brings more things to be thankful for. And when you wake up, greet the day with a smile. Say to yourself, today will be a good day. Today my God is with me. Don't wait for others to believe in you. Believe in yourself. I created you with strength and purpose. There is no one like you in this world. Your journey is your own, and I will walk with you every step of the way. Keep going, my child. Your future is bright. Now, take a deep breath and repeat these words from your heart. This is not just a prayer. It is a promise to your soul, a calling to the divine power that loves you more than you know. Oh loving God, I come to you with my heart open. I surrender my pain, my fears and my worries. Please give me peace where there is stress, give me hope where there is fear, and give me light where there is darkness. Guide my steps with love, fill my life with joy, and protect my family with your divine shield. Let your presence stay in my heart and let your blessings flow into every part of my life. From this moment, I trust you completely. Where you lead, I will follow. Whatever you give, I will accept with faith. Thank you for always being with me. Thank you for loving me unconditionally. Thank you for the miracle that is already on its way. My child, remember these words. This is not the end. It is your new beginning. Take my message into your heart and you will see how your life becomes beautiful again. I am always watching over you. I am always listening. I am always here. Mahad Evi, your protector, my dear child, I reach out to you with all my love and blessings, for I have seen the heaviness you carry within your heart. I know the storms you've walked through, the silent battles you've fought, and the hope you've held on to even when everything seemed dark. This message has come to you today not by coincidence, but by divine intention, to remind you that you have never been alone. I am with you and I will always stay by your side. No matter how complicated your problems seem, they can be solved, and the words you read now are meant to bring light into the places where you have felt only confusion and fear. The moment you receive these words with trust, you will feel a shift inside you, a soft peace where pain once lived, a calmness where chaos used to be, and a renewed strength that you thought you lost. I understand the moments when life feels too heavy, when it seems like no one truly understands you, but I do. I have seen every tear that fell from your eyes, every fear that gripped your mind, and every night you wished for relief. You no longer need to hold all of this alone. Let me take these burdens from you and guide you through every difficulty. Remember only this. Hold these words close and let them be part of your daily life. They are not rules but pathways, doors to the peace, happiness, and love you have been searching for. Begin each day with a quiet moment. Before speaking to the world, speak to me with your heart. You don't need long prayers. Your honest thoughts are enough. I hear even the softest whisper of your soul. Keep your heart pure and free from lies, jealousy, greed, and anger, for these things dim your inner light and block the blessings meant for you. I do not ask for perfection, only effort. Every honest attempt to be kind, true, and good opens new doors in your life. You will begin to feel lighter, more peaceful, and more hopeful. Respect those who care for you, for their love is a shield over your life, and honoring them is also honoring me. Walk the path of truth, even when it is difficult, because truth always finds its way, and whenever you stand with truth, I stand with you. Forgive those who hurt you and release the bitterness you carried, for holding anger only harms you. Leave justice to me and move forward with peace in your heart. Work sincerely in everything you do, no matter how big or small, because I bless every effort made with honesty. Do not doubt your worth. You are strong, valuable, and created with purpose. Every failure you faced was a step towards something greater. Promise yourself today that you will continue walking the path of goodness and protect your inner peace. In return, I will remove the obstacles from your way, heal the wounds in your heart, and fill your life with success, love, and joy. Miracles are already moving toward you. Open your heart to receive them. Give your worries about health, family, money, or the future to me. I will take care of them.